Yeah. Three, two, one. Loading complete. Heyo mga Cubs, magandang umaga sa inyo. Tayong maglakad-lakad po tayo sa playground kasama mga bata. Gala-gala tayo mga Cubs. Walk lang tayo, maglakad-lakad lang tayo. Nihintay ko lang ang mga bata, tayo maglalakad na. Simulan tayo mga Cubs. Tingnan natin sila kung ready na. Let's go! Let's go! Let's go, baby, Yuri, Karina.
Where's my bike on the ratchet?
Huh?
Where's my bike?
We don't need to bike.
No, we need.
We're only walking. Lakad na kami mga Cubs. Alis na kami, lalakad-lakad lang. Punta sa playground, lapit lang. I will show you guys saan ang playground dito. Mga Cubs, ako lang mag-isang nagbago ang plano. Ako magbabike, sila ang nagsasakyan na hindi na maglalakad, magbabike na lang ako mga Cubs. Sila ay gumamit ng kotse. Lakad lang ako kasi medyo puno na yung kotse, kaya lakad lang. Ay magbabike lang po ako. Kaya po, binuksan ko po ang gate. Nero! Bratay! Labas po ako guys. Nagsimula na po ako magbike. Sige na po, mamaya po ulit mga Cubs. Mamaya ulit. Yan mga Cubs, nagbabike na po ako punta sa playground. Pakita ko sa inyo po yung daan mga Cubs. Baka may sakyan. Wala na mga Cubs. Papakatok sa inyo yung daan ko. Wala mga Cubs. Yung po yung daan pupunta sa playground. Kaya naman po talaga nakare pero kailangan pong magsasakyan kasi nga paputik. Nagtutunan nga po yung mga snow. So kailangan po talaga magsasakyan o magbike. Sige mga Cubs, bababa ako muna. At may mga dumadaang sasakyan. Nandito na po tayo mga Cubs. Pakita ko po sa inyo ang playground. Yuri! Ayan po ang playground mga Cubs. Here. Ate, Ate Karina there, Yuri here. Come here. Down. Mabigat si Karina.
Sabi hawakan si Yuri talaga naman. Hindi naman yun. You can ride only there, Yuri, oh. Sa horse, saka sa swing. This swing for little bird. Tiny, oh.
Try mo ate, dyan ka.
Naku, malulula ako. Hindi mo kami maasahan dun ba?
Ah. It's fun? Do what you want, Ate Karina. Careful.
Climb here for a moment. Yes. I'm holding you. Go! Climb here for a moment. My goodness. I already teach you how.
What happened? Yuri! Yuri, come here. Yuri, look at daddy, oh. Yuri, look at daddy, oh. Yuri. Yuri, look at daddy, oh. Look. Yuri. Ah, look at daddy.
Karina, I asked you to leave your bag, your bag here, no? What is inside that you cannot leave your bag?
Uh-oh, it's wet.
Oh, it's wet. Wait.
Tissue, tissue.
Wala na tayong tissue sa office.
Ayan ate, meron yata kunti.
Tissue.
Honey, make meal for Africa, please. For my friend.
Videohan mo yung ano.
Wait, Yuri is still wet.
Waka, waka.
Did I fix the bike as well? I think she's already too big.
Yeah.
So shishu.
Let her because Karina, it's too little for you, okay?
No. Tita Belle.
No need. No need. It will not even fit to her. Look, even the bike is too little for her. Oh, Yuri, pedal, pedal, pedal. Pedal. You need someone.
Pedal, pedal, pedal.
Ay, no, Karina, no.
Yuri is too heavy, Ate Karina.
When you heavy, you need heavy duty.
Yes. Oops. Careful. Are you happy, Yuri?
I'm bored.
Okay, Bartos bored. Yuri, you're bored? Ha? Ay, tampo ang bata. Wait.
I'm going to the bar.
Okay. Kuya Bartos is enjoying. Same like in Africa.
Wait, Daddy will help you.
I don't remember here.
What, Ate Karina?
I don't anymore remember here because I'm already too big.
You're too big.
Uh-oh.
Madumi. Ang slide. Basa.
Where's the toilet?
Will be present on spring and summer, not winter.
What's that?
Ay, Karina, your mom is cleaning.
Tita, help her to climb. You don't Mommy, Dad?
Karina, wait please.
Daddy! Daddy! What? What?
Sandbox. For kids.
Oh, go.
Oh, go!
1, 2, 3, go. Karina, she might kick your face. Quickly.
Go!
Come.
Go!
Kukunya-kunyarian lang yan.
Release, Kylie. See, it's not scary.
Nagkukunya-kunyarian lang yan.
Kunyari lang yan. So,
You don't know how to climb?
Karina, be careful ha. You are wearing shoes now and your gloves is also slippery.
Ice cream, but the stick is
Quickly!
Yay! Enjoy! Yes.
Very sharp. If you will hit someone with that, put it back.
Careful, careful.
It's sharp like a knife. You are throwing.
Sister! Yes? Look! You're starting hers. Yeehaw!
Yeah.
Yeehaw! Yeehaw! Rashikita! Sister, look! Sister! Sister, look! Look, sister! Oh, look! Coyote's working horse.
You is riding on the horse.
Yeah. Yeehaw! Yeehaw! He's scared to the oh.
want to go to slide again? Huh? Try the slide again. Last one? Okay, stop. Slowly. Go, slowly. Okay. Okay. Ate Karina, Yuri call you. There, Ate Karina, because I'm too heavy. Huh?
Sit properly. Okay, hold tight. Hold Yuri. I think father and daughter. Bartosho. Yuri and Rashid here, you and Kylie. Go.
Unless one child, one adult, one child, one adult.
Yes, one child, one adult. That's what I mean.
Then you're not explaining that.
Walang boses. Hindi kayo madinig. Wala kayong boses.
Not hold? Ayaw ko hawakan.
Hawakan mo, di pwedeng walang hawak.
Not hold na.
Hawakan mo nga kahit sabihin niyang do not hold.
You see that the Bartos? You see that the Bartos?
Hello. Kanta-kanta pa. Ayan, may boses na kayo. Pag may headset, walang boses.
Ate Karina, did you enjoy?
Okay, enjoy si Yuri. See?
Shiny.
Mommy Shiny Star, mapapahila. I feel I need to pee. That's why I'm not even sitting even I want to pee. And there's no toilet. Opo. Ano yan, Rashid? Wild strawberries, maliliit pero matatamis.
Oh, stop na. Stop na.
Oh, kabe.
Okay na. Uwi na mga cubs. Uwi na mga bata. Ako maglalakad ulit. Ay magbabike. Ako to mami.
Not Daddy.
No, don't step on the...
Daddy. Properly. Sit properly.
Ayan po ang cubs. Nakasakay po sila sa kotse. Ako po ay magbabike na pauwi. Yan po ang bike. Sakay na po ka mga cubs. Bye bye. Alis na po ako. Magbabik na po ako mga cubs. Babay na sa playground. Uwi na kami mga cubs. Uwi na ako. Sunod na ako sa kanila. Pinanong ulit. Bye bye. Pauwi na mga cubs. Ito po ang daan pauwi. Galing sa playground. Tingin mo tayo kung may mga sakyan dadaan. Oh, wala. Diretso na po tayo mga cubs. Lamig po magbike mga cubs. Lahat wala akong suot na gloves. Ang lamig sa kamay. Kakaputok ng daliri. Kaya talagang tiis-tiis lang tayo mga cubs pagkagatong malamig na panahon. Ganito po talaga. Main road na po tayo mga cubs. Papatayin ko na po to. Tingin-tingin mo po tayo mga cubs kung may sasakyan. Wala. Ano po. Patayin ko na po tayo mga cubs. Sige po mga cubs. Bye bye. Ayan, nandito na po tayo sa papasok sa amin mga cubs. Lapit tayo sa gate namin. Chelo! Chelo! Pasok na tayo mga cubs. Binuksan ko na pa yung gate. Pasok na ako mga cubs. Yan na po. Tigil na mga cubs. Nakaba na ako mga cubs. Tago ko na itong bike. Ayan, lamig talaga. Yan po mga cubs. Bye bye. See you to the next video mga cubs. Bye bye.